Hello, 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 hello everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good evening in the other part of the world. So, isang magandang umaga ngayon na puno ng pag-asa. So, ang ganda ng ating view dito sa galing sa ating hotel. So, malapit tayo dito sa ocean. Ang ganda ng view natin, right? So, it's time to wake up time for my breakfast and let's go. Come with me. So, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Kuha muna tayo ng out. Yan, we go out now to get our breakfast. Yan, kuha muna tayo ng ating breakfast for today. So, ito yung ng hotel natin. And ready tayo sa breakfast time. Kagigising lang at maganda yung enjoy natin yung vacation time with the family. Yeah, so let's go get the food. Yeah, this is my coffee. And let's make the waffle. I'm not sure somebody here. Oh, someone make a waffle here. So, we're gonna get the yogurt. Get the yogurt, blackberry or strawberry. I go with the strawberry yogurt. And they have some bread. So, maganda. Waffles, green cereals, and coffee. So, I have my coffee. So, I'm gonna get kuha muna tayo ng ating bed. Ito yung bed natin. Food natin dito. Ayan. With coffee, and this is our area for eating. Ayan, meron ng kitchen. Yan na muna. While waiting for the waffle. Yes, ang ganda. Backpack muna tayo. High energy. So, ganda pa nag-breakfast dito. It's a breakfast time. Good morning. So, it's time to ready our breakfast before we head out for our mini tour today. Okay. Hello, hello everyone. Isang magandang umaga na puno ng pag-asa. Ngayon, nandito tayo kasama yung ating family. Right here. So, sa ocean. For the beach boardwalk. Marami nakikita na naglalaro ng volleyball dito ngayon. Yan, while walking. So, maganda yung araw. Right? Sunny. And happy Memorial Day sa lahat. Again, happy Memorial Day sa lahat, lalo na sa ating mga heroes na buhay ng mga sundalo na they give their time, their effort, their resources, their ability and skills to serve our country. Alam ko na wala na sila sa mundo, but we celebrate this special day for them. Yan. So, ang ganda ng team pagpunta ka sa dagat. You know? So, of course, konti pa ngayon ang tao compared yesterday na mas marami ang tao. So, maganda mag-unwind. Time to unwind, to relax, and enjoy life in the ocean. Diba? Ang ganda ng pag nandito ka, nakapag-relax ka. It's a beautiful experience being here. Nice. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Ang sarap. Kahit may init siya, pero masarap yung simoy ng hangin na ang ganda talaga yung pag nasa dagat ka, nakarelax ka. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful gift of life, for the gift of family, and you know, sa mga blessing na binibigay mo sa amin sa araw-araw. Right? Yan. So, kung dito tayo pupunta sa loob, they have a casino arcade. At saka sa mga yan, ang ganda. If free, Yun ang maganda dito sa Amerika kasi walang bayad yung pupunta sa park. I mean, sometime in the park or the ocean. Free, walang resort fee. Yan, what we're inside here. Yan, medyo mainit na. Tinanggalan natin yung hat natin sa sombrero. Maingay na dito. Yan, of course. My kid. The laser cat. Yan, mga bata, naglalaro. This is what is Santa Cruz all about. Yan, hindi na puro ocean, kundi may mga arcade din. Diba? So, ganda. Let's take a walk. And let's go out right here. Gusto mo yung baril-barilan. Yan, right? To experience how to baril-barilan, right? Yan. So, you pay $5 daw. Ito po, may pirate. Jericho and Joseph, come here. Nice. Oh. Sarado yung seaside fish chowder. Diyan ako kumain kahapon. Did you buy your food yesterday? Lamb chowder? Pinalalang. Oh, because of Memorial Day, close yung mga store. I'm not sure they close or hindi ko lang alam bakit close sila ngayon. Yan. So, medyo mainit na. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tao nagmamahal sa akin, nag-support ka. Lalo na ako yung tipo ng tao nagsasabi ng totoo. At dito ko yung kabutihan sa kapwa. Yan. Walang ano. I think it closed. It's only this one is open. Some of the store here closed because of the holidays. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin dito. Yan, boardwalk. Pinasok natin to kahapon. So, but they don't have something. Mostly shirt lang. Okay. Jericho, you want to go here? Yan, mag-walking-walking lang tayo. Ayaw naman nila maligo sa dagat. Oh, so they don't want to go swimming. So we're just walking around dito sa bilang dagat. Diba, ang ganda ng experience. Wala pa masyadong katao-tao. Ang ganda pala pa pumunta pag ganitong day. Kasi maganda siya. Yun lang. Yan. Yan. Diba, ang ganda. To the warp with boardwalk. And dito ako bumili ng ice cream ko rin kahapon. Yan. I bought my ice cream yesterday here. It's our second day being here. Mga dessert. Yan. They have yan. On the other side. Nakita mo. Yan puro na mga ano yan. Hindi pa nag-go. Baka late. I'm not sure if they close. Oh, they open at 11 in the morning. Kaya maaga pa kasi wala pang 10 o'clock. So, highly recommended. Pag pumunta kayo dito sa Beach Boardwalk, Santa Cruz, you have to be early. Kasi you have more space. At saka hindi pa marami tao. Byway. This opened back in 1907. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh my God. Napakainit na. Kailangan may sombrero tayo. So, pag may mga friend ako na nagbibisit ng California, usually I take them here para makapasyal din. Ma-experience nila yung dagat ng California. So, marami mga binibenta dito. This one when you're going out on the gliders. Yan. Parang roller coaster siya. Oh, Big Kahuna. Pizza wings. Yan. Wow, this is my favorite. Kami ni Jericho, yung anak ko, yun ang paborito namin, yung mga crepe yan. Yun ang ano talaga namin, yung crepe that's favorite. Kaya lang close pa sila. Wow, crepe strawberry cheesecake. Masarap, di ba? At of course, the boba drinks. Yan, walang kataw-tao because they're closed. Yeah. So we're gonna go all the way there. Meron siyang magandang laruan sa mga bata doon all the way. Usually, my family and I, we always coming here. Yan. And before, masakay din kami yan. Jericho, nalala mo yan? We go that way to go to the other side. Yung cable, ang ganda yan. So, I think they're closed. Hindi ko alam they closed because of Memorial Day or they open a little bit late. Kasi medyo maaga pa eh. It's only 10 o'clock dito. Yan. So, I think wala na tayo. We need to come back na Jericho. Okay? So, we gotta go back here. Dito na kami dadaan. Yan. Pabalik na kami. Nag-walk lang kami kasi we're here already yesterday. So, ito yung carousel. Close din sila ngayon. And again, guys, thank you. And Beach Boardwalk open since 1907. Yan, boardwalk. Now, andito yung mga parking. Again, thank you so much. And I love you all. And see you next time.